Oh yeah, mommy.
Oh.
I like that. Damn, are you from Blackpink?
And I was like,
Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. Trash. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my Gurkensalat mit Essig. Which means cucumber salad with vinegar. I saw so many things which inspired me, and I really need to do some certain things. Like, for example, baking a cloud.
fucking cloud.
A fucking cloud, mate! Today we're gonna look at some videos and we're gonna basically do what I see in the videos. Just try out some new things, some stupid things, because that's what I do on this channel. Today I have very amazing help with me. It's Kelly. She's too shy for the camera. She doesn't like being on camera. Don't be so shy.
Oh,
What does it smell like?
Amazing.
It's your shampoo.
I know. Hi, I'm Kelly, 22 years old. I live in Cologne.
You're not 22. So there's a trend going on basically everywhere. I see it on Instagram, I see it on TikTok, I see it on YouTube, and it is about the cloud bread. And I saw this video, and honestly, it just looks so good, but also so disgusting. I just cannot imagine it to taste good, but I don't care about it. I just want to make it.
You know what it looks like the stuff you put into walls when you build a house.
It doesn't look edible, so that's why I really think it's cool. Eating stuff you're not allowed to eat, love it. I would never eat my period, unless, honestly, if like a witch would say, you're gonna be happy and you're gonna be a millionaire and you're gonna have the love of your life, but only if you eat your period, I would literally drink that shit up.
Of course, everyone would.
Would you do it? Comment down below. As you can see, I'm not at home, so I hopefully won't destroy Kelly's kitchen. Let's do this freaking cloud bread and see if it's actually good. And yeah, let's get cooking, everyone. Hello, we're baking clouds today. Don't look at my outfit. I'm not done yet. I just want it to be comfy. We got 3 eggs, and we're gonna crack them and just use the egg whites. We're gonna use this professional bowl device.
Wenn du noch länger so weitermachst, geht der Akku wirklich leer.
Ja, du hast kein Handtuch hier. Can you give me a towel? So it's not working?
Low stands for low. Sometimes I just push it 10 times and then it's working all of a sudden. Look at your face.
Well, I guess then we're just gonna do it the feeling, you know. Let's just whisk the egg white. And for that, we're gonna listen to the Whisking Egg White song by Naomijon. This is a song, a song. This is a song, a song. So you don't have to listen to this noisy ass shit. This is a song. When is it gonna end? How long Seriously. Do I have to do this? I don't know. This is improvised. Vincent, help me please. What do I sing on this?
This is a song.
10 grams of cornstarch, I think. Is it cornstarch? I think it is. So what is 10 grams? Sugar, 30 grams, right? Watermelon sugar, hi! Watermelon sugar, hi! And there's the sugar. A song while I'm whisking egg whites, which is really a delight, but I'm losing my mind because this is my whisking egg white soundtrack. We're also gonna put in some vanilla extract, a little bit, and a little bit of food coloring. Is this blue? This is blue. Look what I can do. It's done. And afterwards we put it into the oven for about 25 minutes at 150 degrees. Sorry, we forgot to film it. I think our cloud bread is done, guys. Hello, mamacita!
It looks like a brain.
Why did it shrink so much? I think we gotta open it up now. Scheiße! Oh, we're just gonna ignore this. It's fucking hot, but it works! Oh my god! This is the taste test. Honestly, it's not that bad.
Oh, hello. I like it.
Yeah, it tastes like those fluffy Japanese pancakes.
Oh my god. I didn't expect to like it.
Me neither. I'm literally just eating egg whites. Cheers. Okay, for the next one, we're actually gonna try something that's kind of just unnecessary, but also kind of fun.
Like everything on your channel.
So I saw this TikTok of someone drawing, yeah, you see it right here. They draw this on the back of a person, and the person has to draw the picture. And I just think it's funny. And do you think we could actually like do that?
Of course.
Do you
we
think
connected in mind.
Yeah?
You told it
It's
yourself.
telepathy?
It's telepathy. Are you going to draw broccoli?
No. Let me think of something new.
Oh my god. It's a angry egg with hair.
Yeah.
You ready?
You have to press harder. I'm lost. I can't feel any.
Yours looks like a flower ice cone.
Honestly, only because I kind of knew you were drawing a flower and then I just. That was our TikTok experiment.
Why was it so much fun?
I don't know. I really liked it too. So that was cool. Let's get to the next one. Next, we are going to do a TikTok dance. A dance. And it's gonna be this one.
In my head, I don't know what to think. Came down to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's
As you can see, it's not like super hard to do, I think. For that, we're gonna try to go to the rooftop and see if we can find a good spot to do it in because we want it to look professional.
Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting.
It's gonna be professional. Hello guys. We went into a park. We couldn't go onto the rooftop because there were a couple of issues. You didn't remember where it was.
Yes, it's weird because the rooftop should be on the roof.
We just went into a random park. There are not a lot of people here, luckily, because we're gonna look like idiots. Let's get started. Let's do the Romeo and Juliet. Let's make Taylor Swift proud. Yay! Yay! Oh, by the way, we brought a roller skater. What is it called?
Roller skate, yeah.
Roller skate?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Roller skate.
Roller skates.
Mhm. Roller skates.
I brought my phone and we're gonna put it in there and then we're gonna Romeo take me, you know. So we still got some issues to place the iPhone so it doesn't fall, you know. I think we got it. Yeah.
in my head. I don't know what to think. Came down to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's
Okay, let's get back to Kelly's apartment and then do some more stuff. Alright, my dear friends, it is time for the next one. I have to put a hair dyeing trend or video in here. And this time, we're gonna try to dye my hair, obviously, with Skittles! So I saw this TikTok of Mackenzie Marie. She dyed her hair with Skittles. And she basically just got the color she wanted, put it in a coffee blender, made powder out of it, and mixed it with conditioner, and then put it on her head. And I'm here here for it. I love alternative hair dyeing methods. It's also a bit stupid, but that's why we're doing it in this video. And I was thinking maybe I'm gonna do what I actually wanted to do with my hair when I dyed it black. It's not really black anymore. We can all see that it's more like an eggplant now. This time maybe I'm just gonna do the other side like a bit of a pink. I'm just wondering how intense it can get if I use only red and maybe a bit purple Skittles. The problem is there are no pink Skittles, obviously. Do you like Skittles?
No, just the green packet.
The sour ones. Yeah, I don't understand why these even exist. I don't want to offend anyone's Skittles culture or anything, but like, die Guten ins Töpfchen, die Schlechten ins Kröpfchen. Alright, we got all the red and a couple of purple Skittles. I hope it's gonna be enough. And one orange one. It's our lucky one. We're gonna put it into a coffee grinder, coffee blender. I literally just bought it for this because I normally don't blend my coffee because I don't drink too much coffee. Actually, none.
Look, I found one more.
Oh. What the fuck is this color?
Looks like Schnitzelpanade.
You're eating my hair dye. Now we need hot water. Ew, that's so red. I didn't want red, I wanted pink. Ew. I give you 10 euros if you drink all of this.
I would.
Really?
Maybe for 20.
Guys, this really doesn't look right. This doesn't look pretty. This doesn't look pink. This doesn't look anything. Let me just see what happens if I put some conditioner in. I think actually this kind of looks cool. This is kind of like a peachy peach. How much conditioner do you want? Yes. No. Do I really want to put this onto my head? I think it's gonna look great if I dye my whole head in it, but like with this, together with this, I think it's gonna look horrible. Let's just for the sake of doing it, let's shred the purple ones and see if we can get like a light purple. If that's gonna be ugly too, then I gotta decide between ugly and ugly. Shit. Hello. Okay, that's the purple shredded. I think it already looks a bit more like cuter and not like this. Okay guys, maybe it doesn't look that good anymore. Do you think it's gonna look good on my head? Give it to me, I'm gonna add more. That is sugar, mate. I mean, I don't know what I expected.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Romeo, take me somewhere you can be alone.
Oh guys, I can only tell you this smells so horrible. I don't really like putting Skittles on my head so far. I think I'm done here. I guess I'm just gonna leave it in for a little bit longer because we want the real result, even though this already doesn't look good so far. Let's just wait.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna wash up my hair now. It's been 2 hours. This is the result. Honestly, it's kind of a pastel purple, and I don't know, I mean, I didn't expect much more, but it feels like I just put too much silver shampoo in, or like if I let my silver shampoo sit for too long. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I got the wrong Skittles. She kind of used wild berry Skittles, and the blue ones, maybe only the blue ones have enough pigment. I mean, it looks kind of nice. It is quite a nice pastel purple. It is kind of what I wanted, but also I think you could literally just put silver shampoo in for 5 more minutes and then you would have the same result, and you definitely would not have to crush some Skittles to put them into your hair. I got you, don't worry. I tested this for you. You don't have to do this anymore. And now me and Kelly are gonna go get some food, and the last crazy cool video we're gonna show you tomorrow, or maybe even today after food. We don't know, but we're really hungry, so we need to go. Hello, we're back. We just had some amazing pho with a lot of garlic, and I gotta say I regret nothing, but that was like honestly the most garlic I've ever consumed in my life. It was my fault because there was like garlic oil for free with a lot of garlic pieces in there. And now it's time for the why am I holding a skirt? We are ready for a new TikTok dance. I picked this one dance from our queen Charlie D'Amelio. It's actually not from her at all, but I just always find it on her profile because she's my queen. How late is it?
Late.
Late means it's time for TikTok dances. That's the dance we're gonna dance. Romeo, take me. I'm a bad bleed.
Do you think they will war shame me?
Oh yeah. Oh nee, ich sehe einfach nur scheiße aus, wenn ich das mache.
Oh. Die zwei Pregnant Ladies sind vereint in einem TikTok.
Oh, you are absolutely bonkers, aren't you? What the fuck? Guys, I'm impressed by these TikTok queens right here. Okay, guys, we are done with the dance. We have perfected it in our terms. I learned a lot today. We filmed for a long time today. Somehow this took forever. Yeah. Thank you for being with me today.
Of course.
Thank you for being in partner look with me. Oh. Are you okay? Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Facebook?
Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon on
TikTok.
and the Naomijon on
Twitter.
Yay!
I put a dick in it.
Edison, stop! Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Ich weiß! Ich wusste alles! Angst, dass du das noch ansprechen.